Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to be doing a welcome sign for my front door on a piece of wood. I just purchased this at a local home store. I went ahead, I painted it white, I stained it with a dark walnut, I sanded it down to give it a little weathered look, and then I used a finishing wax for the top. And then I will be using our silkscreen reusable transfers from Chalk Couture. And remember, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. I'm using our rustic wreath, as you see here, which is one of my favorite, a part of the double welcome, a part of the live life in full bloom, and then just a couple little pieces from the bloom and blossom transfer as well. Now I'm going to be using our Chalkology chalk paste for this design, and our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent, and it does come in 35 different colors, which is really amazing. So you can definitely fit any type of home decor that you have in your home. Now this project does involve a little bit of layering for the flowers that you see there on the edges. Now when you are layering, you just need to make sure the bottom layer is dry, and you can use a hair dryer, you can use a heating element if you have one. It's a crafty thing, or if you want, you can just let it sit as I did and continue with parts of the project, so that then once it's dry, you'll go ahead and apply your top layer. Now you can purchase all of these products except for the piece of wood right on my website at chalkandwithjen.com. If you are local to me, you can host a make and take or sip and chalk, and this is definitely one of the projects we can do. Or if you want, you can become a designer like me, and you can do this as a business. You can do this as a hobby and share it with friends and family. It is entirely up to you, but we are looking for designers all across the U.S. So I hope you love the end result of my welcome sign. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all the fun, new, crafty things I'll be creating for you this spring and summer. Have a great day.